Hey guys, welcome to question MM424 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So in this question we've got this continuous random variable x which has a distribution with probability density function given by this. So f of x equals 11kx take 2kx squared from 0 to 3 where k is a real constant. Find the value of k. Awesome. So first things first is to recognize that because this is a probability density function, the total area under this function is going to equal 1. Okay, that's a fundamental attribute of probability density functions, which means that the area, which is 1, is equal to the integral from 0 to 3, because that's our lower and upper bound, of 11kx take 2kx squared dx, right, because this is our function. Now, k is a common factor between these two, and it's also a constant, so we can actually take that out the front and move that out the front of the integral. So we have 0 to 3 of 11x take 2x squared dx. So all I've done is just taken k out as a common factor and then move that to the front. What we now get is still k at the front. Actually, you know what? Let's divide both sides by k. So we'll divide that by k. We end up with 1 over k equals this. So then we have our integral. We can now just integrate this normally. So we end up with 11x, add 1 to the power to 2 and divide by that new power. Take away 2x, add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. From 0 to 3. And then we can sub these in, so we get 11 times 3 squared over 2 minus 2, 3 cubed over 3 minus 11 0 squared over 2 minus 2, 0 cubed over 3. Yep, awesome. Now these just cancel because they're just 0, so they don't actually do anything. But what we get is 99 on 2, so 3 squared is 9 times 11 is 99 minus 54 on 3, and then let's just go back up here. So then we get that is equal to 189 on 6, which is equal to 63 on 2. That's 1 on k. So therefore k, we can just flip these two around and get k equals 2 over 63. Awesome. Now that's our final answer. This is a 3-mark question. First mark is recognizing what we have to do here. Second mark is actually integrating that, so this section here. And then our third mark is our final answer of k equals 2 over 63. So guys, that's it for part A. Let's move on to part B. The part B says express probability of x is greater than 1 as a definite integral. So this is designed to be a straightforward question. It's 1 mark. We're looking for the probability that x is greater than 1. Now, the probability that x is greater than 1, we talk about our area, as in our area from 1 to our upper bound, which is 3, under this graph. Okay, so we're talking about an area from 1 to 3 of 11kx take 2kx squared dx. But we know that k is equal to 2 over 63. We found that in the previous part. So therefore, we've got 1, 3, 11, 2 on 63, 2 on 63x minus 2, 2 on 63 x squared dx. Now 2 on 63 is a common factor and it's a constant, so what we can actually do, like we did with k in the previous part, was take that 2 on 63 and put it out the front. So we get 2 on 63 outside of 1 to 3 of 11x take 2x squared dx, and that's it. So we can actually just leave it like that, and that is our first and only mark for this question, keeping in mind that it is a 1-mark question, so we don't have to show any working, we just have to come up with this end answer. So guys, that's it for MM424. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. But otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.